Hi there! Today we're just going to record a silly little quick video. It's just a bunch of Sugar's winter outfits. So we've got some Christmas dresses, we've got some Christmas gifts, and we've got some winter sweaters. So we'll give those a little show. It's just a quick little video, and you can enjoy watching her, watching her little outfits on the screen. So, all right, enjoy.
Okay, so all right, we're I guess in business now. I've literally spent all day trying to get this stupid camera system set up, and it didn't work, and it still didn't work. And so now I'm just using my webcam. That's why the quality sucks. But we're gonna show the dog off in a couple of her Christmas outfits. She doesn't even have very many. This is only like a little quick short video. She only has like a couple dresses and a couple sweaters, so just kind of her winter fashions. But it'll be cute. It'll be fun. I can't believe I spent like 6 times way more than that than the actual video is gonna run. But here we are. So Sugar, where are you? Sugar Dog, come here. I have some treats for you. Yeah, there she is. Okay, you gotta sit. Sit. Okay. What do you think we should wear first? What do you think? No, not that. Okay. Alright, let's try. Okay, this one's an old one. It's a little bit too small for her. A lot of her sweaters are too small now. I need to get her some larger sweaters. But, they still work. Okay, chick. It's over here. No, the treats and everything is over here. Okay? Yeah, good girl. Wait. Look, head. Good, face, good. Number 1. Paw. And second paw. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Now I don't know about the music, because last time I tried to pick music that was good for YouTube, and then it kept telling me that there were YouTube claims on my music, and I'm like, okay, well the program I got them from said they were YouTube clear, so I don't know. But everything's been a bit of a struggle, but, you know. I think it's easier when it's not the Christmas music. There just probably isn't as much Christmas music as there is every other type of music, but okay, sure, yeah. So you can see it's a little bit tight on her. We don't really use this one outside anymore, but it looks pretty cute. We should. Alright, let's get the camera. That's not the camera, that's the treat. Yes, good. No, good. Up. Good girl. So, she's pretty good. But yeah, this one was really good when she was little because it kind of covered, it used to cover her whole back. So it protects her from the snow. Like, she never really needs them for coldness. She pretty much only ever needs them just because it helps keep the snow off her back, which is nice. Yeah, okay, where are you actually on camera? You're on camera if you're over here. Okay, good. Alright, let's switch it up. Next one, yeah, to be a quick little video. We don't have very many of these. Bloop. She's been waiting all day because I got the treats out when I thought I was ready to film like 6 hours ago, and the treats have just been sitting next to me while I spent 6 hours struggling with my goddamn camera. But let's not do a sweater. We'll do a cute little Christmas one, okay? Christmas dress for you. This one's cute. It's kind of like a little maid dress. So, let's put this one on. She got 2 Santa dresses. 2 whole Santa dresses. Because she's so generous. Basically, she is Santa Claus. You can tell from the white hair. The fluffy white hair, although she doesn't have a beard. Palms don't really have beards. Okay, here, look at the camera. You have the camera? Good girl. No, sit. Sit. Good girl. Okay. Sit over here on the camera. Hey, it's not good. Over here. Now over here. Sit. Too excited. Good girl. Here we go. Not really on camera. Over here. Good. Sit. Good. That's better. That's on camera. Good girl. Yes, aren't you pretty? You're just on a little bit dress. Pretty little apron. Pretty little Santa should. Santa should. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Yes. Alright, so we done a sweater and a Christmas tree. Let's show off some of your... She has 2 little sets of reindeer antlers. This one is way too big and it doesn't really work for her. But for the camera. You're like, no, show me the treat first. Hey, would you stop lunging like that? That's bad. Come over here. Sit. Good. Sit. Stay. Stay and show off. No, stop. Good. Stay. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. Can you see it on the camera? Hey, bad behavior. Sit. Good. Maybe you with your little reindeer antlers. Well, these are really big reindeer antlers. But, yeah, they don't really stay on. I feel like there's a little Velcro attachy thing, but it's way too big even when I put it at the tightest setting. So, it doesn't really work. But she does have these ones that are just a little hair clip. But they kind of bend forward, which is not great. But we'll put it on anyway. So I put a little elastic band on it. Okay, over here. Right here. Good girl, sit. Sit. And then you can see the sparkly Christmas reindeer antlers. They're really good. And if my actual camera was working, you'd be able to see them in better detail. But unfortunately, you have to deal with my webcam that came with my computer. Because that is the only thing that's working today. Yeah. It's been great. Okay, good. You took it off? Okay, you're done with that one? Alright, so we're done on one. Alright, let's do... This is her Christmas morning dress. I put this one on the other video already, but I had to show it again because I do put her in it every Christmas morning because it's her little bunny pajamas. And I think she looks so cute in them. It's like Christmas Story. You have to get the bunny pajamas on Christmas morning. So she has a good set. They're not pink, but good girl. Are you on camera? No, come over here. I know you think the treats are here. Come over here. Hi. That's not really good behavior, though. What is it? Good sit. Look at your floopy ears on screen. There we go. Look at them floop. Good girl. Okay. Good. Yes. Good sugar. Okay. One treat. We like a treat very much. Okay, there we go. Oh, good. Crunch. Good sugar. Okay, well, I'm not going to keep this because you keep wanting to look at it. No, sit. Sit. Good girl. Okay, alright, so bunny pajamas have to happen every year on Christmas morning. That's just how it works. They have a little bunny tail. It's really good. Next up, let's go through your new Christmas gift dress that you've got. This one's another pink princess dress like her other one that she has, but this one is a little bit more peach toned. Just a little bit different, more sparkly. Yeah, I will give you the treat. I know you're getting so high because you want the treat. First foot. Second foot. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Calm down. I know. Where are you? I lost your leg. I lost a whole leg. Come on. Here. Here we go. Wait, all the way through. Oh, you lost your other leg. Well, you're just not doing very good there, Trim. There we go. Pull through. Are we even in the leg holes? No, not really. Kind of. There we go. I'm like, this dress isn't too small for you. I know it fits. Because some of the sweaters are a little bit too small for her. But this one's still good. There we go. Oh, that is this camera because you can't really see. But I guess you can see it. Wait, sugar, over here. Sit. Good, yes, sit. Good sit. Good sit. Good. There you go. Maybe I should just tilt the camera down a little bit more so that she's clearly in the picture, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, this is her new Christmas one. And then she got some new Christmas flowers to wear too, which aren't very wintry or Christmassy, but they will work nicely. And then you can be a little Hello Kitty, but you are a dog. No. Can you do? I know you don't like things clipped to your face. Come here. No, it's okay. Come here. Okay, over here though. Hi, that's terrible behavior. Come here, sit. 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 Girl, your little pretty bow. Well, it's not a bow, it's a flower. It's just, you don't like it. I know you don't like it to your face. Normally I would just clip these to her clothes or her leash or something. Oh, she doesn't like them on her face. What other color? That color's not really showing up on camera. Let's try blue. You see blue shows up a little bit more. Green? It's pretty light too. Oh, that one's not even fully on there. Of course it's gonna not feel good. Get it fully. There we go. No, leave it. Okay, look on camera. Look, are you good? Oh, I know you don't like it. Can you sit for a minute? I'll give you a treat. Stop, not give you a treat. Sit. Good, no? Good. And you don't like it here. Eat a treat and then I will let you take it off. There we go. Okay, you can actually see it. Okay, I take it off for you. I take it off. There we go. Shake. Yes. Oh, she had two Christmas colors, but I don't know where they all went. I found this one, which is her cute little jingly bell kind of holly I don't think the camera's focusing on it at all. Holly collar, which is a cute little one. And usually we tie a big, like one of the red or gold bows to it for Christmas Day. Like just from the packaging, right from the gift wrap. Easy enough. But she had a nice little red one that we were actually using as her regular collar until we switched to a harness. But I don't know where it went. It's probably attached to a leash somewhere in her bin of toys. Whoop! There we go. Yeah, this one's a little tight, isn't it? We have to get you a bigger one. Yes, we will. Okay, what have we got left? Not much. A couple. We got another Santa dress, and we got 2 sweaters. So let's do a sweater. Another big sweater. This one's a little bit more bigger size. Still a little bit tiny, though. I keep buying her sweaters and being like, that's big enough. And then I'm like, that's not big enough. Okay, head. Good head. Yes, I will give you more treats. Don't worry about it. You will get all the treats you desire. Oh, you like that one? Okay, let's put it on. Nope. Yeah, you want, okay, sit. Sit. Read. Okay. And now you gotta let me put the sweater on. I know you don't like the sweater. Come on. Let me do it. You're good. Come on. Move. Head through. Head all the way through. Good. Good. Head through. Yes, good. Okay, now paw. Nope. Okay, let's try foot first. No, this one's no good. Come here. We can do it. We can do it. This is the only one I didn't test in pre-test because I thought it was the bigger one. But maybe it's the one she didn't like. I knew there was one she didn't like. But the other ones all went out pretty easy. You like this one? Okay, we'll leave this one. This one. Yes, this one. This one's easy. It's going to be very thin. It's also not too warm. It's a warm sir. It's very hyped today because she would like to go for a walk. But we've been trying to set up this camera all day instead. There we go. This one's a little bit easier because it's not so heavy. Heavy for the warm dog. And pop out the ears. Bloop. And bloop. Good. She's like, I'm staring at those treats. I am so close to them. Okay. Can you sit? Sit. Good sit. Would you like some chicken? You would like some chicken. Good girl. This one's nice because it's black on the front, but on the back it's like nice and sweatery. Good girl. Yeah, did I put you in a big heavy sweater? Even though we're inside and it's way too warm. Yes. But it's better than the hair clips. You should better than the hair clips. So that's a good one. Good girl. Yeah. See, I had the camera set up so that it would show her nicely when she was on the ground. And the whole thing's just been a mess. Good girl, that was a good pretty sit. Good pretty sit. Bloop. Good girl. Okay, I give you a little treat. Sit, 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 sit. Now if you run up at them. Alright, last Santa dress. No, not that. Yes, Santa dress for you. Alright. Feet number 1 and number 2. What are you doing? Where's your head? Where's your head? Seriously, this is supposed to be the easiest one to put on. She somehow made it more difficult. It is all the Oh, I can't even get it done up because of all the glue. Where's your Velcro? No, your mouth is actually not involved in the doing up of this jacket. There we go. Okay, is that good? Alright, we'll put it on like, no, it has to be on like, okay, well, pretty much on, I would say. What do you think? Do you think that's on enough? Okay, good girl. Come over here and I'll give it to you. No, don't go in. Good girl, look at your pretty dress. Yes, it is lovely. Oh, it's already come open. I'm pretty sure this one does close. Put on a little bit more. It's like, I'm so warm. Why are we wearing all the shoulders inside? When you keep the heat on for some reason. Even though it's perfect temperature outside, sub-zero. That's what all dogs want. I think you are forgetting that not all dogs are as well furred as you, nor are all humans. Definitely not all humans. Okay, well, I mean, there is the one more sweater, but she doesn't want to wear that one, so we won't make her wear it, because again, this one's very thick and warm. I think it's just a little bit too warm today. But that's about it. We also have her nice little Christmas toys. This is for Clarice that she likes. Do you like this one? You like this one? Yes, you do. But yeah, just a quick little video today. Just oh, that was bad. No sugar. You don't get a treat if you aren't. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show. So Sugar does have a couple buttons. I don't know if you've seen like the Hunger for Words or the bunny. dogs on Instagram that use their buttons, but Sugar loves to use hers, and she only has a couple right now. She has food, water, play, and walk. Play? Yeah, play. She thinks play right now is a treat one because she's like, the treats are right there. I will fetch you the thing. Fetch. Go get it. Fetch. And I'll give you the thing. Fetch. I know. Play. Fetch. Fetch. Go get it. You're a little bit too hype. Fetch. Good girl. Okay, I'll give you the treat. Okay, treat for you. You did it. You played. Good Sugar. But I'm really excited because I just bought a new set of the smaller buttons. I don't remember the company name is, but I'll try to put it in the links. Yes, no, you don't just get the treat just because you asked for one. Because they're a little bit smaller, because these ones are a little bit big, and I'm in Canada, and they often sell out or get really high priced for no reason, just because they're in demand. So the little new ones are nice, and they come on these little hexagonal tiles, which is really cool, so you can kind of keep them together, and they take up way less space than, you know, like 6 of these things. So I am really excited about that, and I will try to be doing a new video just on the buttons in the future. Now that she has more than 4 of them, and she can kind of start learning some new words. So, very exciting. Okay, Sugar, show off here. Show off your Christmas dress. Good. Christmas dress spin. Yes, oh, that's really good. That's a good spin. Okay. Okay. Say goodbye, Sugar. Okay, thanks for stopping in. I know it was just a quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked the dresses. I'll be putting some links to some ones I found that are nice on Amazon for similar kind of styles. So if you do want to check those out, you can. And we'll see you guys later. I'm Natasha Tuskovich. Please like and subscribe. I put out new videos every week about art and fashion, and sometimes dog fashion. So if you like that sort of thing, please do hang around, and I will see you guys later. Bye now.
Okay, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed that. Just a little fun diversion for the holidays. We will be putting out new videos for the rest of the year. We're going to be doing a book review coming up pretty quick, and then a winter fashion capsule collection will be coming along shortly. So stay tuned for those. Give a subscribe and you'll get to see them. Otherwise, sign up for my mailing list and you'll hear about everything coming up and be the first to know. All right, bye guys.